Hey guys, I'm going to do something new today. Instead of the usual like gaming videos that I've been uploading, this is going to be a bit of a tech review on a new light bar to maybe replace the ring light. So it's called the WILLED LED light bar. All right, and this bar itself, it comes with a charging cable. So I've currently got it on charge. Currently got it on charge. So it lights up red when it's on charge. Comes with a USB-C cable. Two of these new mats. So basically you can move the magnet, and the magnet is basically on the back there, and you have the little holder which it can clip into. So I'm gonna basically transition straight into myself using the light bar itself, and then we're going to do a comparison with the ring light and then both of them together. So see you all soon. Enjoy. Okay, so we have the light bar installed. It's at its brightest setting. As I can, like, I'm just looking at my monitor here, sorry, so I apologize if the camera's there. Doesn't like light being blocked in front of it. Let me try. There we go. Let me try that. Yeah, that's sort of better. The camera just adjusts. So yeah, what I'm seeing is, you know, pretty decent lighting, considering where it's placed. It's literally placed like above my monitor, but it's still behind my camera, so I'm still getting that lighting on my face. I'm no light expert, but I'm pretty happy. I'm gonna like throw on the ring light. So we're just gonna turn this one off. Okay, so that's the ring light. Obviously with the ring light, it's very like direct in, it does diffuse a little bit, but I do believe that the LED light may have the edge, but the ring light obviously focuses on my face and you can see the contours and the shadows and everything like that. Now, there's something I want to try, which is having the ring light as well as this light on. At the moment I can't see any flickering. The only flickering is because I have a lamp on in the background there. I'm actually going to turn that off, and then we're going to do another comparison. So okay, so I've moved my camera just so we can get a fair comparison. So this is with obviously my lamp off in the background there, making the flickering. I can't see any flickering at all, which is pretty good. The light is at its brightest setting, but obviously it's covering more of me. There is a lot of me to cover. I will say that. So yeah, I'm gonna turn this off and we're gonna put on the ring light now. So 3, 2, 1, bang, there's the ring light. Obviously the ring light doesn't light up as much of the room. It does a good job. One thing I can sort of notice is obviously my beard looks a bit darker. In general, you can see more shadows with the ring light. So my guess is what I'm going to do is I'm going to use both. And with both, it's like lit up a little bit more. But what my guess to do is I'm going to get that light. So I can just take it off. There it is there. Bang. No flickering. I can just have that. I wanted to put it. I could just like have it there or something. So see it lights up the left hand side of my face, because obviously my camera is usually on my other monitor. So all in all, would I recommend this light? If you're on a budget and you can't find a good enough ring light, I'd recommend it. I'm going to continue using it in my streams. I want to see how it works. So yeah, basically, if you are a lighting expert or you're a camera expert, please feel free to drop a like or comment on the video if there's any tips or tricks. I'm not a tech expert. I'm not a lighting expert, like, by any means. I'm just a fat guy that loves to play games. That's it. So this is just my quick review. All in all, I would give it a 6 or 7 out of 10. It's not as bright as I'd like it to be, but that it is what it is. All right. So thanks very much, guys, for checking this out, and I'll see you all soon. Skål.